Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone is feeling blessed this morning. Don't forget to give thanks each and every day you wake up, because life is a blessing. Just to wake up and able to walk outside, see the bright sunlight and all them things, it's a blessing. Today, I'm working hard preparing this garden for the spring. A lot of works I'm doing in this area here. I come here this morning and I just start digging. I just start digging up the place, because I want to be able to get this land together that I can start planting my food in March. So all these are banks for my potato them. I already dig them. I already mix them with these kind of grass. So I'm just leaving them to turn compost. So by the time I'm ready to plant, it's gonna be ready. The dirt gonna be mixing with the grass, so that will be good. The plants will love it. So I'm just gonna show you a few plants that I plant a few days ago in the heart of the winter. And I wanna show you how they stand up looking beautiful, and then it rained last night, so they're just looking lovely. These are spinach. I planted them 3 days ago, and look how green they're looking. Usually if they cannot stand the winter, by now they would have dried out already. So this is the spinach. All these is fresh bank I now dig this morning. Okay, right over here is some kale. You see how they're looking green? So that tells you the winter and the cold weather is not doing them anything. Look, two more kale here, looking green and fresh, like they planted a month ago. These are cabbage. See this one falling in really nice. Yeah, all these is cabbage and different things. Broccoli, kale, all them stuff. This container here, I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna plant some potato. So the people who don't have the land but able to plant in container, follow this channel, because I have a lot of information. And this, the way I plant, you could plant down your whole garden for $10. So just follow my videos and you will see. All the cabbage start folding in. This is another one here, folding in really nice. All of them is folding now. All the cabbage is folding. Okay, these are the lettuce. I plant the same time with the kale and the kale and the spinach, and everything looking lovely. These are some cabbage that I now plant, and the weather is not doing nothing to them, so I give thanks. Broccoli, and these are some sweet onions that I plant, and they're still standing, so I give thanks for that. These are broccoli, small broccoli coming up here. These are my kale. This is another kind of kale than what I showed you this morning, a while ago. This is a different kind. This is a rougher leaf. You see this? You see the water down in there? We're looking like a diamond right there. It looking just like diamond down in the head of the kale. Yeah. And these are some cabbage right here. Okay. So I dig this bed this morning. And I dig this also this morning. I even planted like 4 onion this morning. This year I want to plant a lot of onion. I have some set already. So I want to plant a lot of onion this year. A lot of potato. A lot of edos, pepper, and all them kind of vegetables. So this is my bed with my compost well mixed up. So you see this? I have this here mixed up and I'm just leaving it here. So the rain, the sun shining on it, the rain coming on it, it's gonna make the grass, these grass get rotten. And when I mix them with the dirt, that's some nice organic manure you're talking about. So I'm not telling nobody not to go to the store and buy their manure, because you might not have access to these things. So I'm not telling nobody not to go and get their manure from the store. But for me, I don't have to, because I have a lot of dry grass, dry bush, and all them things too that I can use. And if you look at my garden, you're gonna see everything looking fresh and green with the kind of manure I use. So I have full proof here the progress of my compost. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.